welcome back to our channel Dreamstone Arts. So guys, in this video we'll see how to remove tan in your body, especially hands and legs. So let's get started. So the first step is to add soap. The second step is to add glycerin. So I'm just checking one whole cap of glycerin. Now the third product to be used is hydrogen peroxide. Use 20 volume because you are using for the skin. So I am just taking two full cap of hydrogen peroxide. The next one is rose water. It's optional to use rose water. So I'm quickly mixing it up until I get lather. So guys, now the mixture is almost ready. So now you are applying just the lather. Use pure soap because it already have glycerin content in it. So if you know, so guys, the application process. So I'm just checking the lather and just applying the lather. So I have done my application. Leaving it for 15 minutes. So my 15 minutes got over, so I'm removing it. So guys, this is a difference. Seriously, I got better result in this. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. So if you want more updates, follow us on Instagram @DreamstoneArts. Bye bye.